Hello everyone, this is Mr. Singh. This video is just going to give you some information on how to access the textbook online. So you're going to navigate to this website here, which is the Nelson website K-12 Open Access. Once you're on here, you'll see a page where you're going to input a bit of information to get your username and password. Now, one thing I want to point out is for now, this is only until July 31st. So these courses go until the end of August. So you might want to save some of the information for later units or later chapters because we may lose access. This is being extended because of COVID-19, but we don't know if they're going to extend this into August. So my suggestion is if you want to download some of the PDFs and stuff like that, make sure you do that before July 31st, just because you might lose access then. So what you're going to do here is you're going to click that you are a student, you are in Ontario or taking a course in Ontario, and the grade segment is 9 to 12. It'll pop up instructions for a new website to go to. So this is the new one you should bookmark, and then here is your username and password, and these are all the same for everybody. So once you're on the new website, you're going to put in the username and password. I suggest bookmarking this because this is the page that will get you back to the textbook. So once you log in, you'll see that you'll have access to all the textbooks. So for our courses, for the science courses, they're all the black covers. So for example, this is Biology 11 here, this is Biology 12 here. So make sure you're using the ones with black covers. The other ones, so this one here and this one here, these are ebooks, but they're not the same as the ones we're using in our courses. So don't use these ebooks. The page numbers will not match and you'll have a lot of trouble trying to find things. You're welcome to access them and look at them, but in my courses, the ones I'm always referring to are the online student center version. So there's Bio 11, Bio 12, Chemistry 11, Chemistry 12, and then if you keep going down, eventually somewhere there will be Physics 11 and Physics 12. So that is how you access your textbook. Again, don't forget to bookmark this, but you can always just come back to this video if you need help. And if you have questions other than that, please let me know.